Anyone else noticing these Chinese high volume coins on Pumpfun lately? Bro, I swear lately Pumpfun is full of these random Chinese coins popping up out of nowhere and suddenly doing crazy volume. Like some of them literally run up to insane market caps. I've seen a few push close to 100 million way faster than expected. At first, I thought it was just random hype, but not. But the more I watched, the more I started seeing patterns. Same type of branding, similar timing, similar kind of content style, almost like there's a playbook kind of stuff behind it. Now, whenever I see one of these coins starting to trend, I just ape blindly. Like I study what's working, the vibe, the narrative, the content flow, how people engage with it. And honestly, if I catch the pattern early enough, I'll use that same energy like and content style to launch my coin and ride the momentum instead of chasing it late. This is like crypto moves in waves. If you are paying attention, you start seeing the repeating setups and you take advantage out of it. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm exactly doing like 100%, and that makes me like that leaves me profit all the time if I'm like doing with the right alpha kind of coin. So I'm already saw some Chinese monkeys. What's going on with this thing? Like one, two, three, four, five, seven, eight. There are a lot of Chinese monkeys. I don't know what is that. Let's check this thing out first. Excuse me. So, uh, whatever, man. So this one has $37 million. This is probably the alpha we're talking about, and it has like a very 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 good volume though. So I'm gonna take advantage out of this coin with its TikTok or whatever it is. Let's check. So I just copied the tokens contract address and I pasted it on SolScan, which is the scanner of Solana. And I just clicked on the metadata tab and I took every data out of there in my notepad right here because I work clean. And I'm taking the image as well. For taking the image, I gotta take a image link and I'm gonna download it later. And last thing is the description, but this one doesn't have one. So let's check the axe. What is this thing about? First, I gotta understand it. So there's a monkey. He's doing something, but is that like a? Is he like? I don't really understand it. Like, was it what I'm thinking about, or is it like a friend of him? I gotta know. So they use this one as a website, right? For X, there's something different. Let's check the post. So Punch will bring hope to the market. Name proof. What is this thing? It's Chinese, so it's gonna be bomb. Punch stuffed in a monkey. I mean, I don't know about it at all. I don't want to know it. It's bullshit, probably. So some Chinese bullshit. It has $37 million market cap. That's enough for me. Let's go. So I'm gonna create a coin that ends with pump, but on different platform, and add the liquidity to PumpSwap instead of Pumpfun because I'll own the liquidity if I do this. So I'm saving the image. I will tell you everything about it. Don't worry. So the reason I'm doing this is like I want to own the liquidity. I don't want to give my liquidity to Pumpfun, and I don't want to deal with their virtual liquidity bullshit like the bending curve and shit. This is like full of shit. So these are the authority options. I have to choose them because these are the attributes of Pumpfun tokens as well, right? So that's why I'm choosing them. And links, I got links on this one. By the way, please make sure you like the video if you are still watching, and please make sure you subscribe. Turn your notifications on because I'm gonna drop a new video next week. It's gonna be like crazy. So I'm creating my token right now. As you can see, it's created. Let's check the soul scan. It's minted. Good enough. So I'm just copying the tokens address for using it to add liquidity, you know. So they have in their UI though. So I'm adding 20%, like deleting first 10 and putting 2 instead, because that's what Pumpfun does, you know? And I choose launch it on PumpSwap. Let's go. So I launch the token and I do a little trick. Okay, I'm burning like a small amount of liquidity, and some tools are taking it as it's burned. So, and I'm, you know, whenever if like educationally, I'm talking about talking educationally, you know, if I was going to withdraw the liquidity, I'll have the tokens, the most tokens, so I will have the liquidity which I burnt already. So this is not very important. So what happens when you copy a token over $20 million market cap? Something like this, you know? I mean, it happened all the time to me. It worked all the time. It's like my, I don't know, quick ways of making money kind of thing. So if I'm going to withdraw it, this is just like some liquidity. By the way, I own the tokens as well. So this is like a 12.2, and also I got like 4 because I burnt like a 25% or something like that. And I'm taking out the fees I paid to create token. Like they have like gas fees and stuff. Solana is 85, which is like really sad, but we gotta just get used to it, bro. So 1.3k, like quick 1.3k by taking advantage of a viral Chinese meme. You know, this is crazy in my opinion. I love what I'm doing, but I suggest you all to keep making your coins and like get your coin listed on fucking exchanges. You know, it's possible if you market your stuff and if you have like the good stuff. And please make sure again. I hate to tell you this, but like please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. It motivates me. I want to make more videos. If you want to see more of my content, just please like the video, just drop a comment, do whatever you can, man. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.